Hello, this is another FloridaTestPrep.com video. I advocate mobile apps. I hope that you'll use them. Send any questions to the ebookman@gmail.com. One of my students asked me about this one. If you have x to the minus half is 1/3, and y to the z power equals 16, we know that z is bigger than y. We then have to ask x plus z, how much is that? Well, this is called problem solving. It's not really math problems because you just have to go step by step. Now, anytime you have a negative, it means it's 1/. If it's a half, it's going to be a square root. So you do the square root of x, and then you put it over 1. Now, that's something you're just going to have to learn. Whenever you have a half, it's a square root, and when it's negative, he's unhappy up here, so he wants to go south. So he's underneath. Now, what square root of what number is going to give you 3? It's x is 9. So we got that down. Okay. Now, what are the different ways to make 16? You could go 2 to the 4. You could go 4 to the 2. Or you could go 16 to the 1. Now, because the 4 has to be bigger than the 2, that's why we chose this one. So your z is 4. Now we're down to 9 plus 4 equals 13. And that's how we got that. Now, I'm just walking through how I got the answer. I believe this is the source of your problem, the negatives. And so if you'd like to do a review of negatives, we can do that by telephone. Thank you for your interest.